Point is double membranous structure. Double membranous structure. It means it contains two membranes. It contains two membranes, outer and inner membrane. So let us look at the diagram of chloroplast, which will contain two membranes. Which will contains two membranes, outer and inner membrane. Here, so let us is representing the inner membrane, and here is also the outer membrane. From here, this is our this is double membrane structure, outer and inner membrane. जो part वाले membrane में शुरू, outer and inner membrane. This is structure of chloroplast. Now this chloroplast, now this is outer membrane, this is inner membrane of the chloroplast. Now inside of these two membrane, what are there? There are a membranous structure. There are a membrane-like structure, and these membrane-like structures are called these membrane-like structures are called thylakoid membrane. What is the name of this? They are called thylakoid membrane. They are called thylakoid membrane. These are the membrane. These are the membranous structure. And these, one of the membrane is called thylakoid membrane. One of the membrane is called thylakoid membrane. What is the name of this membrane? One membrane is the house. What is the name of this membrane? Thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid. Thylakoid membrane. Now it's a very important point for us. Now thylakoid membrane, when 50 thylakoid membrane combines, when 50 thylakoid membrane combines with each other, it forms a whole structure, and this whole structure is called granum. This whole structure is called granum. Let there is one thylakoid membrane here, another thylakoid membrane here, another thylakoid membrane here, another thylakoid membrane here, another thylakoid. When these thylakoid membrane combines with the number of 50, then this whole structure is collectively called granum. This whole structure is collectively called granum. Granum is the singular, and the plural is grana. The plural is grana. Here is one granum, consists of 50 thylakoid membrane. Here is another granum, consists of how many thylakoid membrane? 50 thylakoid membrane. So let us will you granum chance, and the plural will be grana. Now, a very important point. Structure again is immediately the conscious. So let us remember, here is another granum. So now here is the single one membrane is called thylakoid membrane, and when 50 thylakoid membrane combines with each other, it's called granum. Here is the one granum, 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 and here is another granum. And the plural will be grana. Now it's a two granum. This is one granum, this is another granum. They are connected with each other through another membrane, and their membrane is called intergrana. Their membrane is called intergrana, which is also called as lamella. So this is it. For example, here is the intergrana, which connect this two. The intergrana, which connect the granum with each other. Come thylakoid membrane, come to grana chokade. When a membrane which connect these grana with each other, they are called intergrana. They are called intergrana or lamella. What is the name of this? What is the name of this, Charles? Intergrana, or it is simply called lamella. It is simply called not middle lamella.
Just lamella.
It is called lamella.
Attachment of
middle lamella is present in the Middle lamina is a part of cell wall. Clear? Cell wall middle lamina. It is just called lamina. So it is intergrana or lamina. And what is the function of? What is the function of lamina or intergrana? It connects the granum to each other. It connects the granum to each other. This is the structure of chloroplast. Consists of outer and inner membrane, and outer and inner membrane then contains a membrane structure inside these are called thylakoid membrane individually, and when 50 thylakoid membrane combine they form a whole structure called granum. The plural is grana, and the structure which connects the two grana to each other, they are called intergrana or they are called lamina. Why it is called enter by between grana by grana. So this is one grana, this is another grana. So they are grana, and because it is located in between the two grana, therefore it is called intergrana. And it is simply called lamina. It is simply called lamina. Clearly? Yes, now what happens? The other part, which is the remaining part, this is the whole chloroplast. The area becomes this is the grana part. Now the remaining part comes white part. This whole part of the chloroplast is called stroma of the chloroplast. This whole part is called stroma of the chloroplast. So here is the stroma. There comes a dot line. This is the remaining structure. Comes your dot here. So this dot area. This area is called, what is the name of this area? Stroma. Where the dark reaction of photosynthesis occurs. Here the dark reaction of photosynthesis occurs. Inshallah, Sonoram chapter bioenergetics को dark reaction. I will move light reaction which occur in the grana, and then dark reaction which occur in the stroma. Clear? Because all enzymes responsible for dark reaction, they are present inside the stroma. And the most important enzyme is Robesco enzyme, which is the most important point. Robesco enzyme is the present. Robesco enzyme point. It is the most abundant protein on the earth. What is important about Robesco enzyme? It is the most abundant protein on the earth. The surface of the earth is protein के abundant है Robesco enzyme. जगह Robesco enzyme उस represent की plant की leaf की mesophyll cells की और the mesophyll cell chloroplast stroma की present. Clear? So this is the important point. Here is the stroma present. So due to presence of this Robesco enzyme, there will be what happens? Dark reaction will occur. So what is the name of this remaining part? Stroma. S-T-R-O-M-A. Stroma. So this is the stroma part of the chloroplast, which contains all of the enzymes responsible for the dark reaction. Dark reaction. Clearly? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now on the thylakoid membrane, on the surface of thylakoid membrane, there will be presence of a photosynthetic pigment. Then the thylakoid membrane and photosynthetic pigment, and one of the important photosynthetic pigment is called chlorophyll. One of the most important photosynthetic pigment is called chlorophyll. That's concept clear. Chlorophyll पर leaf की present. तब डायरेक्ट present रखा ना जब वो leaf पे होती leaf से पूरा डायरेक्ट with chlorophyll होती. सही है ना? Direct chlorophyll होती. What happens? Chlorophyll is present in which cell cells? They are present in the chloroplast. And which part of the chloroplast? And the thylakoid membrane. Clear? They are present upon the surface of thylakoid membrane. And then this chloroplast itself is present in the which cell cells? In the mesophyll, spongy mesophyll cell. And spongy mesophyll cell are present inside the leaf. Spongy mesophyll cell are present inside the leaf. Clear? So let's go to spongy the leaf like a spongy mesophyll cell. The spongy mesophyll cell का कोला के लिए chloroplast की. The chloroplast के अंदर दूसरा thylakoid membrane. On the surface of thylakoid membrane, there will be chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.